Hi everyone, adjusting the thickness of table lines or border in Microsoft Word is a great way to make your data stand out or create a more professional looking document. So first you need to select your table by clicking the small four-sided arrow icon in the top left corner of the table. And then go to the table design. This tab only appears when a table is selected. So in the border groups, first you need to select the color of the line. For example, this color. And then click on this arrow to select the thickness of the border to 1/4 pt, for example. And here is the border style which you want to prefer it, just select it. And to apply it the whole table, click the border arrow next to it and select the all borders. This will instantly increase the thickness of the border of your table. Moreover, if you want to total control over the specific lines are thick and which ones stay thin, so use this menu. For this you need to right click inside your table and select the table properties. And in the table tab you need to click on the borders and shading button at the bottom of. And here first you need to select the style of the line, for example this style, and now select the color, for example blue one. And now here is the thickness. You can select 6 pt, 3 pt, whatever your requirement is. I'll selecting the 3 pt. Moreover, in the preview section on the right you can click individual line in the diagram to apply the thickness only to the outside frame or specific internal grid lines like this one. And now head to the apply and click on this and table and click OK and click OK. And here you can see that the right and left side has thin lines, while the top and bottom and in the middle you can see the thick lines. Also there is another, the border painter method. You can only, if you want to make one specific line thicker. So for in the, click on this four-sided arrow. First you need to select the paint color, for example red, and select the thickness and make it like this one. And now you will see that your cursor will turn into a paintbrush. Simply click and drag along any individual line like this one. Here you can see that. So this way you can easily make table lines thicker in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.